Hi, it's Immobiliser Fit. Today we've installed a Starline 996 Pro to protect this vehicle from key cloning, relay attack and key theft. So if someone was to just try hop in with a cloned key, try and start the vehicle up, it simply won't start. So you need to go through a stage of authorization. This can be done by either pairing up the customer's phone with a Bluetooth adjustable range or by going through a push sequence using the buttons in the vehicle. So the way this is done is first ignition on without your foot on the brake. We've set the code to something simple for now, so 1, 2, 3. Get our melody. Now we'll put our foot on the brake, start the vehicle up. This system can also be paired with the customer's phone through Bluetooth, so they don't have to put the code in every time they get in the vehicle. As long as their phone's in their pocket with Bluetooth on, the vehicle will start up and they'll pass authorization. So the way you pair a phone is ignition on and disarm the system using the push sequence. Got our confirmation now. Press any button 7 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ignition off, back on, we'll get 7 bleeps and then it's ready to search. So now if we go into the Starline 996 app, it will pop up here. On some phones you may need to go into Bluetooth settings manually. So if we just search for it here, Starline 996 pops up. It'll ask you for a password, which is 0 6 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Click OK. You can see the device is connected and we've got a bleep from the unit. So now when I turn the ignition off, we'll get 1 bleep to confirm there's 1 phone paired. You can pair up to 5 phones for this, and obviously if there's 5 phones you'd get 5 bleeps when the ignition's off, but in this instance we'll just get 1. So now with the phone paired, you see we've got a green circle. We turn the ignition on, we get our melody straight away, we can start the vehicle. If you want to take this car for a service, this can be done either using the buttons or using the phone. So on the phone, it's as simple as pressing and holding on the key icon, it will spin round, the green will turn to yellow. When you release you'll get 2 bleeps. So this is now in service mode. So if we just turn the Bluetooth off, make it appear as if the phone's gone away, this will act like a normal car now. So it will start up, there'll be no melody, no need to put a push sequence in. Just start up as a normal car. Jaguar can take it around their workshop and service it as they wish. When you get it back, simply hop back into the app. You'll have the yellow circle to confirm that it's in valet mode. Press and hold on that till it goes green. You get 2 bleeps and the car's protected again. There we go. So now if we just turn the Bluetooth off, give the system 10 seconds to automatically arm, we can just test it and make sure the vehicle's secured. As you can see, the vehicle won't start. So once again, you can use either the customer's phone with adjustable Bluetooth range or the push sequence. Receive your melody and the vehicle will start. If you want to get one of these fitted in your vehicle, protect it against relay attack, key cloning and so on, give us a call. We're Immobiliser Fit. Our number is 0208 212 7393. Once again, we're Immobiliser Fit and our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.